Hey, we're here with the chess fairy, Tara Martinez, who's going to teach us the horsefly variation out of How to Play Chess Like an Animal, now available at www.chesslikeananimal.com. Take it away, chess fairy.
Well,
what? Are we going to learn the bird? I'm so excited. It's my favorite opening. F4.
Well, actually, we were gonna learn the horsefly.
Well, let's see it.
Alright. First, you go
Yippee! F4!
F4.
F4! I'm so excited.
And then, you go... Well, where's that knight gonna land?
That's annoying. What you doing there?
I don't know.
Knight F3. That's what I always play.
Well,
Beating the bird
right.
and all.
And then this I really would like to move there, but I'm afraid that the pawn will first take it. So I'm just gonna go right there. And then
D5?
Yes, exactly. And then the knight will be like, where's it gonna go? And then,
well, I know how to get rid of that.